Hey, what's up everyone? Today I've got something really cool to share with you. Huawei just announced their latest earbuds, the FreeBuds 6i, and they're claiming some serious improvements in active noise cancellation. Let's dive right in. So first things first, the noise cancellation. Huawei says they've doubled the effectiveness, which is pretty insane. Imagine being on a busy street or in a crowded cafe and all you hear is your music crystal clear. That's what these buds are promising. They've incorporated new mic technology and enhanced algorithms to block out double the amount of background noise compared to the previous model. But it's not just about the noise cancellation. These FreeBuds 6 come with an improved battery life too. We're talking up to 10 hours on a single charge, and if you include the charging case, you're looking at a solid 30 hours of playback. That's pretty impressive for a pair of wireless earbuds. Now let's talk design. Huawei has kept things sleek and minimalistic. They've got that modern, almost futuristic look to them. They're lightweight and really comfortable to wear, which is a big plus if you're using them for long periods. One feature that's really caught my eye is the touch controls. You can tap or swipe on the earbuds to control your music, answer calls, or even activate your voice assistant. It's super intuitive and adds a nice layer of convenience. And speaking of calls, the call quality on these is top-notch. Huawei has integrated dual mic technology to ensure your voice comes through loud and clear, even in noisy environments. Another cool feature is the low latency mode, which is perfect for gaming or watching videos. There's almost no delay between what you see and what you hear, making for a seamless experience. So who are these for? If you're someone who's constantly on the go and needs a pair of reliable earbuds that can handle everything from commuting to working out, the FreeBuds 6 might just be what you're looking for. In summary, Huawei has really stepped up their game with the FreeBuds 6i. Doubling the noise cancellation, boosting battery life, and adding some really useful features, these earbuds are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one. Peace.